free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you how you can make money from TikTok as an affiliate marketer. All right, so I'm currently doing this right now, so I'm just kind of getting into TikTok. I do got two accounts, one based around making money online, and I will put a link to my TikTok channel, so you can definitely follow me below. You know, comment on some of the posts I make on there and let me know yours, and I'll follow you back. All right, so definitely TikTok. Just got a new account, so check me out over there. But anyway, how can you make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing? So I'm gonna keep it very, very basic, because like I said, I'm just starting this myself. So what you want to do is obviously create your TikTok account, right? And you want to immediately start posting content. Now, one thing I will say is you want to, whenever you sign up for your TikTok account, have a creator account, because you can have what they call, I think, what is it? Is it a public or you can have a personal account, a creator account, or a business account, right? I highly recommend you get the creator account, right? Because you might be thinking, I fell for this too, and I had to switch over. But I felt like, wait a minute, I'm a business. I'm about making money, right? You know what I'm saying? I need a business account. The problem is, when you get a business account on TikTok, right, you're limited, like crazy limited, for the sounds you can use, right? So if you get a business account thinking you cool, you're gonna realize, like, man, I can't use none of the cool sounds. I can't use none of these trending sounds, because the business accounts only allow you to use like licensed sounds and songs for your videos, and that can really hurt your reach. As of now, one of the best ways to get views and to your content on TikTok is by using popular sounds. That's why you see so many TikToks and you hear in the background, some people just playing in the background like a popular song. You're like, why do they use that? That don't even make sense. Because it's actually helping them get more views. So guys, create a creator account, right? So now you got your TikTok account. So what are you promoting? You're an affiliate marketer, right? So what are you promoting? That's one thing. Are you promoting make money online products? Are you promoting dog training products? Are you promoting how to sing products? How to be a magician? Whatever it is, right? Now you want to start posting content related to that, right? You want to start posting content related to whatever your niche is, right? It could be funny, it could be serious, it could be whatever, right? You can even do reaction videos on TikTok. So even if you don't feel like thinking of something, all you gotta do is just find videos related to your niche and just do, you can actually do duets with them people, which is basically you could just, react to whatever they're saying in their video. You could simply just do a head nod, like, yeah, I agree. Or you could just shake your head, nah, that's whack. Whatever, right? So you don't even have to sit there and really like, oh, I got, what do I say on TikTok, blah, 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 blah. So you want to build up, use popular sounds. You want to do different duets and stuff. Use hashtags related to your niche, right? Once you get up to 1,000 followers on TikTok, you'll be able to, at that point, you'll be able to put a clickable link in your description. Now you might be thinking, 1,000 followers. Guys, if you start using trending sounds and start posting at least once a day, once every other day, you're going to get a following pretty quickly, right? But remember, use popular sounds, songs, trends, whatever, and now build up your follow. Once you're able to get your 1,000 followers, now you're able to put a clickable link, right? So at that point in your bio, that's when you can put your affiliate link in there. All right, you can put your affiliate link to whatever it is you're promoting. Is it dog training? Is it how to sing guide? Is it how to golf? Whatever it is, you can put that link in the description of your bio, and now start creating, keep on creating content, and then you can easily point people to your bio, just kind of like how Instagram is. So you do a video on TikTok, and at the end of it, be like, hey, for more information, check out my bio. Boom. That's how you can end all of your TikToks video. And if you don't even want to talk, you can just put a caption on your videos that say, hey, check out for more, check out my bio. Boom. Send people all that traffic to your affiliate offer. That's what you could do. So many people are making tons of money doing this. And you could do the same thing. All right. So one other thing that can even make you more money on TikTok is by using what they call a link tree. So what you could do is just Google link tree or whatever, or go to, I think, linktree.com or something like that. That will allow you to create a page. I'm sure you've seen it by now, but it allows you to have one page, right? One destination. On that page will have you can put multiple links. So if you have several different affiliate products, you can put them all on your Linktree page, or you can have your YouTube, like mine. I have my YouTube, and I have like 2 or 3 different products that I promote, that can make people money. That's what's on my Linktree, right? So you could do the same thing as well on yours, and just constantly create content and drive people to your Linktree or your direct affiliate program. And that is how you can make money from TikTok as an affiliate marketer. All right, it's that simple, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this content. If you did, give it a thumbs up, right? Also, be sure to follow me on TikTok. Let me know, comment, it's all good, and I'll follow you back. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this money together. All right. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.